Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 83, how to delete data in multiple table in Laravel 11. Let's step by step start this video. First of all, this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this my already XAMPP server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this my project is available XAMPP folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this is a project is available. This is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run localhost PSP. My admin already run, and this project directory inside this command prompt open. Successfully command prompt open this directory inside. Let's PSP artisan server and enter PSP artisan server, and this URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working. Good. This is a latest version. Let's / admin login. Successfully admin login is a working fine. Admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789, and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Please wait. This is a correct detail is implementation. Inside this is available country. Country is available. This is a country. This country is available. Country is two countries available. This Pakistan and Australia. Inside this is available this state. This is a state. This is Pakistan. This inside this country, inside this Pakistan. Remove this is a two record is a remove inside this Pakistan, and city inside this is a record is a remove. This is only this Pakistan. Let's step by step. Multiple is a remove is a implementation. This is a multiple. This is a all related table is a available. Let's check. This is a first of all this country. Open this country. Country inside this is a already implement. This is a 3 number and 4 number. First table is a country table. This first table is a country table is implement. Second table is available state table. This is a state table is available. Inside this is available country ID. This state table inside this is available country ID is available. This is a country ID, and last table is a city table. Click this city. City inside this is a two ID is available. First of all country and state. This country and second is a country and state ID is available. This is a state ID. This is a multiple table. This is a state country delete. First inside this two record is automatically remove. This state delete. This is a delete. Let's step by step implementation. First of all this country. Open this country. Country inside this is a list is a open. This is a list. Open this resource view admin, and this is a country inside this is a list file. This is a successfully available, and this is a delete button is already available. Let's inside this is a 999 and save file. Inside this refresh this page. Successfully 99 is available. Good working. Let's remove, and the same URL is a copy. This is a URL is a copy, and web.php open. Let's small font route web.open inside this file. Successfully available. This route is available. Let's location controller open this location controller http controller, and this is a location controller. Open this location controller and paste here. Successfully this is available. Good working. This is a country is successfully this is a delete, but this is a state inside this not delete. This state and city. Let's first of all this state table open this state table. This is a state table is available, and this is a state table inside this model is already available. Open, and this state model. Successfully open this model. Copy this, and inside this already included this state model is already included, and inside this country delete. Paste here where where this table name is available, same name, copy, paste, dot, and this name is a country id, and paste here is equal to this is a id, the same id is a remove inside this delete. Good working. This is a successfully delete is a set. This first record is a automatically delete. Next is available city. This is city table. Inside this is available country id. This country id is available, same here. This is a country table, this country or city table. Let's city open. This is a model, copy, please write down this model, copy, and inside this is already included, this model is already included. Good working. This multiple record is a delete. The city where and this name is available city dot, the same name is available country id. This is the same is a country id, otherwise this copy paste country id and paste here $id and this delete. Save file successfully. This is a table record, inside this is a delete. Let's check. This is a country is inside this 4 available and 3 available. Let's state is a select. Let's state inside this is available, this is a 4 and this 4 is available, and country open this country. Let's this 4 number is a remove, and this is a 2 table inside this automatically remove. Let's refresh this page, and this 4 number is a remove. Let's remove, delete, and this is cancel. This is not a delete. Let's delete. Okay, delete successfully. Delete country is a delete. Let's refresh this page. This inside this is a 4 number is a remove. This is a remove. Refresh this page successfully. This is only single Pakistan. Let's state is a select. This is a remove. Good, only this only remove, and this is a city is a refresh this page, only this is a remove. State is a country means remove. Let's inside this successfully. Good working. Inside let's check the state. This is not available, only Pakistan. This is a Pakistan. Fine, this successfully fine. This is a open. This click this open. This is state inside this is a state. Inside this table is a remove. This is a city table is a remove successfully. This is a multiple table is a remove. Good working. Let's state this is a open this state file. The state inside this is a list file. This is a list file. Inside this button is a available, same here. Let's inside this is 888 save file and refresh this page. Successfully 888 is available. Good working. Let's remove and refresh this page. Successfully. This is a fine. Let's same here, copy this copy and web.php, open web.php, and this is a function is available. This function is available. Good working. Let's state delete is open this controller. Inside this is available. Good working. This is already created this state delete. Let's state select. Inside this is a city delete, and this city means city model is already available. City, open the city is available. This state delete id is available. Let's open this city model. The city model is already included. Top bar, copy, same name is a copy and paste here where in the city name is a copy and paste dot, this is a state id. Successfully state id is deleted, and this $id and delete. Save file successfully. This is a good working. This is a deleted successfully. Let's refresh this page. Inside this available city inside this is only single. This is a Bihar state is available. Let's click the state is a click this, and this is a Bihar state is a remove. Let's Bihar state remove, and the city is a remove. Let's click this delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Bihar is a remove. Successfully Bihar is removed. Let's check this city. successfully remove. This is a no record found. This is a not a record. This is a good working, not a record is a available. Let's see to refresh this page, and this is a blank, successfully blank. Inside this state, inside this only one record is available, one record Bihar is a remove. Good working. Let's click this new record is a insert. This is a multiple table is a delete. Good. Let's click this add city, and this two record is a implement. Let's click this two record. First of all, this is a Pakistan is a select. Inside Pakistan, inside this is available, this is a not available. State is a available, and this is a go so submit. Successfully submit. One record is a create. Next is a create one other record, and this single record is a create. This is only single record is a create. Why not available Pakistan? This is available, this is available. Error, and submit city name. Let's single record is a remove. First of all, this copy this name, and this is a list file is a open this city list file. This list file is successfully available. Inside the same button is available, same delete button, open copy. Otherwise this new button is a create. Less city file is open, and this new button is a create. Please wait this list file. This is a list file. Less new button is a create. A tag in this new URL, create URL and paste here. Not a this is a copy, admin city paste here, and this is a delete dollar value id, and this is a class btn danger, and this is a delete, and one click is available, same here copy, and one click same here copy and paste here. This is a copy and paste here. Successfully paste. This is a button is a create. Good working. Let's refresh this page, and this is a delete is a available. Good working. Let's same here copy, and this is the id is a pass. This id is available. Web.php open, route get, paste here id, location controller copy, class this is a city, delete, save file. Let's copy this name inside this paste here. This is a city, paste here, public function, paste here, $id, and this is a create. Let's create $delete record code is equal to the city model. This city model is open, the city table. Inside this two record is available, this two record is a create. Same here city model is already create. This is a paste here, find $id. The city model is already open. Please check this, please city model. Good working. The same here copy and paste here, delete, successfully delete. Let's return, redirect admin. The same URL is a copy, admin city copy and paste here. This is a 2a copy, and with success dot city delete successful, save file, successfully save file. Let's refresh this page, successfully save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a city is deleted. This to record. This is cancel is not a delete. Are you sure want to delete? No, cancel is this is not a delete. And this click this delete okay, and successfully deleted. This is a message is available, city is successfully deleted. This is a my spelling mistake, delete, save file, and refresh this page, successfully delete. Let's refresh this page, and this is a delete, good working. Let's refresh this page, and this is the last record is a delete, inside this not available. Let's delete, yes, successfully delete. This list file is available, this record is a delete, this is a record is a delete, good working. This message is available, this success message is available, this is a message is available, this success message, this file inside this is a include, only this include success message, and this list file inside this is a included, this button inside this is a included, good working. This list file inside this is a included, and this state file inside this is a included, all file in this message is a included. Otherwise this is a condition is a implement is a not a show, this message file is a not show, this is a condition is a implementation. This video is done. Please any doubt, so please contact this my errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is always available 24 hours and 7 days. Anytime is a contact, please. This is my new, I am programming developer, 7-year experience. Any work related to please contact me anytime. This is a lost project is available, and this my official channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, follow. This is a all link, Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, and this is a social official website. Thank you.